Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how to change password on your user on Mac. So for doing that you just need to open system preferences. Here you just need to find users and groups. After just tap on your user, just tap on change password. So now you just need to write old password and now new one, continue. And now let's check if we successfully change it. So let's just tap on log out from the system. So now let's just tap, and here you can see that we successfully changed it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, goodbye.